going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a great day. So I'm letting the SGK warm up right now. I'm about to head over to Leo's, and yeah, I think some of the guys should be going over. Hopefully it's lit, but it's always lit no matter what. But Leo has made some pretty good progress on the 240, so let's go check it out, guys. Yeah, guys, so last time you guys saw the engine bay on the 240. What happened?
Check the group chat, check the group chat.
This is what goes on in our group chat, guys. Bro, did he literally kick the...
Yeah, he did.
These guys, bro. Alright, guys, so obviously a lot of progress has been made on the engine bay. Last time you guys saw, I think it was still white with all the welding, so... Leo, what? You want to break down the process of what?
Fuck.
It looks like you've done a lot of work, bro.
Yeah, a little bit. So I've been...
Oh, the sun's in...
More to say.
Alright, you're good now.
Alright. I did a lot of shit to it. Kinda. It just takes a lot of time because I gotta weld it, then gotta grind it.
Yeah, wasn't there a bracket right there for the head prop?
Well, it's actually right here. This was actually right... Where did this go? Something like this. Yeah, I went like this right here.
So yeah, Leo deleted the bracket, so it looks really good. You can't even tell anything was there. But how come you did that?
Because I'm gonna put shocks on the hood.
Ooh, yeah. So if you guys don't know what that means, it's gonna, when you guys lift up a hood and you guys see like the shocks on each side, it's gonna hold itself. No old school hood props, so that should be pretty badass.
Yeah.
Lucky I should do that on the Civic.
I like it. I think it looks pretty neat. That's why I'm doing it. I feel like removing this made it look a little bit cleaner as well.
Oh yeah, it did. That's the little things, guys, that makes a big difference.
And I wasn't trying to go like full like crazy on shaving every little hole. Just on to make it more, give it more of a cleaner look than what it is.
Yeah, and you definitely are achieving that.
Shit takes a lot of time.
Yeah, I bet. So you were working on it last night, plus today, plus like what, the week before too?
Yeah, just little by little, one at a time.
Yeah, so a few hours here and there, guys. But it's coming along. Looking really good. And this primer that you got that from like an actual paint shop, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so he picked up these like really good primer cans for like how much?
Like $9 a piece or something like that. $8.
That's not bad at all. I guess like the coverage is like really good, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, this primer is some good shit. So when I start shaving my bay as well too, I'll probably pick up the same primer and all that.
I like it. It's pretty good.
Yeah, I like it too. It looks really like some good shit.
It does cover a lot of it too. This has just been one can.
One can, damn. You still have another one.
I painted this like 3 times. Same thing with that. Then I painted this like twice.
One can, guys, and it's like a pretty like normal size can.
No, it's actually bigger.
Really?
Yeah, it's bigger than like a ribbon.
Oh yeah, that is pretty big.
There it is.
8 doll hairs. Chill One primer. Sponsored by Smitty's or?
Big ass hunk of junk.
Just imagine if there was a motor in there right now, how freaking crazy that would look.
A rotary?
Fuck. Let's just drop a D16 in here.
I'm down.
Look at this guy. What a guy.
Wow.
What a guy.
Why you gotta expose me? Wow.
Yeah. So, Joey got on.
Damn, champion socks?
They're Tommy.
Well,
Oh, he said Tommy, bro. Put some respect on it.
Yeah, Tommy Hooper. Get it right.
Damn, look at my boy, all spiffy, bro.
Hey, what they used to do in the back in the day?
Oh, Jesse. You mean the Jesse pose?
Oh, the
Jesse era.
or the
no, it's like this. It's like this.
or the.
Hey, the Joey, you see that shit or what?
No.
Oh hell no, I gotta go. So Brian and Joey just pulled up. Just got out of work. And Brian about to pull out. Where you going? You get that gas?
I gotta go get some gas, go home,
Play
I
Black
see.
Ops.
play Black Ops, save some money.
Hey, low-key guys, Joey's fucking garbage at Black Ops. Low-key,
Hey,
though.
might have to hit the Twitch stream then.
I know.
Hey, let's go look at our KDs right now. Actually,
Yeah, mine's like a solid 1.7 probably.
that's not even good.
Yeah, yours like a 0.83.
Straight positive. Watch.
Nah,
I'll
hell
screenshot
no.
it.
Guys, if you want us to stream on Twitch, let us know. Leo, are you getting Black Ops?
Let's go right now.
You're not down.
Bye-bye.
I just said it.
Are you down?
I just said let's go right now.
Are you down?
To stream?
Next clip will be Leo buying Black Ops 4, is it? Yeah,
So
Black Ops 4.
let's push this in and get Black Ops.
See.
Alright, let's push this
It's
shit in.
gonna take a cool minute to install though.
Nah, my internet's so good. That's what they said about fucking Grand Theft Auto, and it was like in 10 minutes.
Is
so-
yours plugged in?
No.
Bro, my man really out here in fucking dress shoes skating. Oh no! Bro, he busted a tray
Kickflip for the ball.
in dress shoes, guys. Aw, bro, still, you hit a fucking tray flip first try, bro. That's mad props. Come here, bro. You deserve this dab. That's the most savage shit
here.
I've ever seen.
Redemption.
Hey, it's all good. We still landed that tray.
What? Yeah.
Yeah, guys, also, not to mention that board's like waterlogged, so keep that in mind. Savage.
Let me shoot.
So, guys, I know I haven't really been keeping you guys up to date on the True Ford. If you guys want to see more videos, comment down below. And yeah, guys, hopefully this thing is running soon because that's gonna be so sick.
Spacer.
And also, this motivates me to start on my bay. So, guys, if you guys are wondering what's going on with the Civic, honestly, all I want to buy next is a hardtop for the S2000. Honestly, all I want next is a hardtop for the S2000, and that's it. I'm not gonna dump any more money into the S2000. Everything else is gonna go to the Civic. So that's what's going on. So hopefully I'll get a hardtop soon. Hopefully like a month or so, because yeah. Also, Joey, what's going on with your IS?
Exactly. Well, it's been slipping for a cool minute, but now it's like I can't even get on it at all. Before it would slip like low RPM third, but it's like slipping second, third, everything. So why? Why?
I'm waiting, banging off the limiter, cold start.
That's not gonna fuck up your clutch. Anyways, I'm gonna get a new clutch. That's it.
So, yeah, guys. I mean, Joey thinks we can knock it out. So,
It says Exetti like pro some shit. It's stock, yeah.
so I don't know when Joey is planning on getting his clutch. I think soon though. So, guys, be on the lookout for that video. We're going to be replacing a clutch on the IS300. So that should be interesting, honestly. So that's not a Honda.
Yeah, we should fucking grab one.
My pedal's soft.
I don't know. It should be interesting.
I gotta get a new clutch. I gotta get the flywheel plate because the lightweight flywheel has a plate, so you don't have to resurface it. It's like $50. I gotta buy that. I gotta buy the slave cylinder.
Leo, think it's gonna be hard replacing that clutch?
Nah. Well, I did it on my dad's little pickup.
That is true. That is very true.
Good day. I was lagging on it though.
Yeah, I think I could do it in a day, low key.
Well, I took off the trans, took the clutch off. I did. My dumbass fucking trying to take out the pilot bearing. I wasn't able to take off the pilot bearing, and I broke it in there. I broke the ring in there.
I'm gonna get the tool. I have to do it in two. It's fine.
When do you plan on getting it?
When I get money, I get paid 3 times next month, so
Well, I mean, bro.
Hopefully, like the beginning of the month, like around like the 1st. So I'll probably order it like on the 1st, and then like a week after that.
Yeah, I know a way you get some side money. It involves this camera right here that I'm holding.
Oh, wait, turn right. What was that? The floor.
Yeah, this thing is like close to the floor. Right there.
Oh my god.
You guys want to go to a GameStop?
Fuck no, babe. I'm done.
Okay.